Welcome to our roundup of the best chainsaw options. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty yard work, cutting firewood, or handling professional landscaping tasks, we've selected top-rated chainsaws that deliver power, precision, and reliability. In this video, we'll break down each model's key features like motor performance, cutting capacity, safety systems, and ease of use, so you can confidently choose the right tool for your needs. From lightweight cordless options to rugged gas-powered machines, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all these products. Now let's dive in and find the perfect chainsaw for you. The first on the list is the Avada Electric Chainsaw Cordless. The Avada chainsaw is designed for users who want a lightweight and easy-to-handle cutting tool without sacrificing efficiency. Featuring a high-speed brushless motor, cordless battery operation, and compact lightweight design, this chainsaw is ideal for quick trimming, pruning, and small to medium cutting tasks. Its cordless design gives you complete freedom of movement, making it perfect for backyard work where dragging cords can be a hassle. This chainsaw stands out for its simplicity and convenience. The brushless motor not only improves efficiency but also extends the lifespan of the tool by reducing wear and tear. It delivers consistent power, allowing you to cut through branches and smaller logs with ease. The battery system is easy to swap, so you can keep working without long interruptions. For homeowners who want something straightforward yet capable, this is a great option. In terms of comfort, the Avada chainsaw is incredibly user-friendly. Its lightweight build reduces fatigue, especially during extended use. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, while the low vibration design adds stability and control. Even beginners will find it easy to operate, making it a great entry-level chainsaw. Safety is also well considered. It includes a protective guard and a responsive braking system to prevent accidents. While it may not be designed for heavy-duty professional use, it handles everyday cutting tasks efficiently and safely. Overall, the Avada Electric Chainsaw Cordless is a reliable, lightweight solution for homeowners who need a portable and easy-to-use chainsaw for routine yard maintenance. Next up is the DeWalt 60V Max Cordless Chainsaw. The DeWalt 60V Max chainsaw is built for serious performance, combining power and portability in one rugged package. With a 60V high-capacity battery, brushless motor performance, and 16-inch cutting bar, this chainsaw is capable of handling demanding cutting jobs with ease. It's a great choice for users who want cordless convenience without compromising on strength. Overall, the DeWalt 60V Max cordless chainsaw is a powerful and dependable tool that bridges the gap between convenience and professional-grade performance. Next, we have the Husqvarna 455 Rancher gas chainsaw. The Husqvarna 455 Rancher is a classic gas-powered chainsaw built for heavy-duty work and long-lasting reliability. It features a powerful gas engine, X-Torque fuel efficiency system, and 20-inch cutting bar, making it a go-to choice for professionals and serious users who need maximum cutting capability. This chainsaw is all about raw power. The gas engine delivers strong performance, allowing you to cut through large logs and hardwood with ease. The 20-inch bar provides excellent reach, making it ideal for bigger projects like tree felling and firewood preparation. If you need a chainsaw that can handle demanding tasks, this one won't disappoint. What makes the 455 Rancher stand out is its efficiency. The X-Torque engine reduces fuel consumption while also lowering emissions, making it more environmentally friendly compared to older gas models. This means you get longer run times without constantly refueling. Durability is another major strength. Built with high-quality materials and engineered for long-term use, this chainsaw is designed to handle tough conditions. The air injection system helps keep the engine clean, reducing maintenance and extending its lifespan. Overall, the Husqvarna 455 gas chainsaw is a powerhouse tool designed for serious cutting jobs, offering unmatched strength, durability, and efficiency. Coming up next, we have the Relia Rhodes 16-inch brushless chainsaw. The Relia Rhodes chainsaw is a modern cordless option that combines smart technology with reliable performance. It features a brushless motor efficiency, high-capacity battery system, and 16-inch precision cutting bar, making it a versatile choice for both homeowners and semi-professional users. This chainsaw delivers solid cutting power while maintaining energy efficiency. The brushless motor ensures smoother operation, less noise, and longer tool life. It performs well across a range of tasks, from trimming branches to cutting medium-sized logs, making it a flexible tool for different needs. One of the highlights of this model is its battery performance. The high-capacity battery provides extended runtime, allowing you to complete more work on a single charge. This makes it especially useful for outdoor projects where access to power outlets is limited. The 16-inch bar offers a good balance between size and control. It's large enough for serious cutting tasks, but still manageable for everyday use. The chainsaw also includes an automatic oiling system, ensuring consistent lubrication for smooth operation. In terms of comfort, the Relia Road 16-inch brushless chainsaw is designed with user convenience in mind. The ergonomic grip, balanced weight distribution, and low vibration design make it easy to handle. It's suitable for users of different skill levels, from beginners to experienced operators. Safety features include a quick-stop chain brake and protective guards, giving you added confidence during operation. While it may not match the raw power of gas models, it provides a great balance of performance and convenience. Overall, the Relia Road 16-inch brushless chainsaw is a dependable and efficient tool that offers excellent value for users looking for a versatile, cordless chainsaw. The last one on our list is the Oregon CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw. The Oregon CS1500 is a unique electric chainsaw that focuses on innovation and ease of maintenance. It comes equipped with a self-sharpening chain system, powerful 15-amp motor, and 18-inch guide bar, making it one of the most user-friendly and efficient chainsaws available. What truly sets this chainsaw apart is its self-sharpening feature. With just the pull of a lever, the chain sharpens itself in seconds, saving time and eliminating the need for manual sharpening. This ensures optimal cutting performance at all times, which is a huge advantage for both beginners and experienced users. The 15-amp motor delivers strong and consistent power, making it suitable for cutting logs, branches, and even larger wood pieces. Since it's corded, you don't have to worry about battery life, which makes it ideal for extended use in areas with easy access to power. The 18-inch bar provides excellent cutting capacity, allowing you to handle bigger tasks with confidence. Despite its power, the chainsaw is relatively easy to control thanks to its ergonomic design and balanced weight. Maintenance is simple and hassle-free. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain properly lubricated, while the toolless tensioning system allows for quick adjustments. Overall, the Oregon CS1500 self-sharpening electric chainsaw is an innovative and powerful tool that delivers consistent performance with unmatched convenience. So that's it for the best chainsaws on the market. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay powered up and ready for any cutting task.